We are in Deck V3. This is a room's tour. I'm gonna go right into the door. This is all the information for safety and stuff. Got your safe and a bunch of shelving, and there's 2 drawers here. So, and we've got the big closet. Hangers and stuff. Now we are in a suite, so we get robes and stuff, but you know, full-length mirror. We'll come back over here to the bathroom. Stand-up shower. Just a regular old bathroom. Come in. Got a chair, bed, that's where Jack's gonna sleep. Then we've got the vanity. Obviously at this sailing we are on the Carnival Elation going out of Jacksonville. Winds are a little worrisome, but hopefully things will calm down. Does have a little fridge, hair dryer. These are just for your laundry. Stool, lights, and then obviously a king size bed. You can split that to do 2 twins if you needed. And then obviously the balcony. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and go have fun.